Hey babies, welcome back to another video. It's Ari. Welcome to a facial skincare video. It's just a mini night skincare. First, I'm going in with my Guvia scrub. It's a facial scrub, and it's also an exfoliator. I use this just for my face alone. I put it in, scrub it, make it soak in my skin. Then I try to wash it off, then use my face towel to just clean it out, to dab the face. And that towel is a very clean one just for the face alone. Secondly, we're going in with my Dove moisturized face, just to for my face, to wash my face, to wash everything. I use like the scrub to wash them away. First went in with the Goodyear, and now is the Dove. Now I'm brushing my teeth, night. Also, I need to start my skincare right now. I'm just trying to bring my hair down. I'm sitting down so that I could make it sitting. This is my hairband. This hairband is something that gave me a lot of issues to put on. I really don't know how to put it on well. If you know how to put it on, or if you have a tip or a method, kindly let me know in the comment section. I really don't know how to put it on well. Yeah or no is difficult. I don't know if it's difficult for just me, but it's kind of hard. AJ helped me a lot whenever I want to put it on, but today I was like, come on girl, you need to do this yourself. So yeah. First, we're going in with my aaeari face mask. I got this like a while now. I've been putting it on, but first of all, I made use of the cucumber nature one, but this one is another type. This one is the Korean kind of face mask. I don't know what is inside, but I just love the way it's so moisturizing to the face, to the skin. It's soaked in well. I love that feeling a lot anytime I put this face mask on. I love the feeling I used to have, the feeling of, wow, my skin is glowing. That's the way I feel. I love this feeling a lot because I feel like, wow, magic has happened to my skin. 15 minutes. Let's get on some snack to wait for it. I'm trying to come close for you guys to see how well this is sitting. Right now I'm getting me some snack to just relax, to wait for 15 minutes. That time, but that feeling of this stuff on my face, I love it a lot. I don't know, it makes me look a bit like a monster, whirr. So I love that. It's kind of cute. I love it. And whenever I'm with this stuff on my face, this mask, I feel like, wow, I'm just relaxing. I'm having my, my relaxing moments, my resting moments. I did got me some snack bar. Get really rampant right now. So babies, it's more than 15 minutes right now. And it's time for us to remove our face masks. But I just need to sip in my drink. I'm in my relaxing moments. Anytime I'm with my face mask, I feel so pretty. I feel like I'm just relaxing. Come on. Am I the only one seeing my skin right now? My skin is like glowing. I don't know what this is that is inside this place, but I know I always love to rub it afterwards. I love to add it to the one that came out from the mask. I just want to finish everything from there. I just want to see the magic you want to do to my skin. That's just the feeling I have every time I use face masks. And I'm kind of loving this feeling. My face is glowing. I'm just trying to make it sit in my face, to pat it in, to make it fit in, to make it stay so it will do exactly what it should do. That is what I'm doing here, and I'm looking so pretty. I love me right now. I love what I'm seeing. Like, for real, I love this. I love what I'm saying. I love me myself. The skin is giving, just the face masks. I don't know, you can just try this yourself. Look for this from any convenience store and just try this yourself. If you can't get this, you can get any one. Just try it. I'm just trying to take some thumbnail pictures and I'm looking beautiful. It's just a start, the first step, and it's given already. So now I'm going in with my Nivea Perfect and Radiant onto dark marks. I love this cream a lot. I love the way this cream has been making my skin feel. You know, I've been seeing a lot of people using this online on social media, and I'm like, oh, okay, let's just try this product. Let's see what it does. Let's see how it makes you feel. Okay, babies, let me tell you guys about my skin a little bit. My skin is a very sensitive skin. I really don't make use of any product a lot, any kind of product that I just see on my face, especially because my face really get infected fast. But you know, this product is sitting the way it should on my face. I love the feeling. I love the way the product is on my face. It's not too oily. I really don't like oily face product. They make my face feel too oily and I don't like that. This product is making air come into my face. I'm loving it right now. I love my skin. It's glowing. Like, it's so beautiful. I love what it's doing right now. So next product is Simple. This Simple is a product that me myself don't really know about. Aji was one who used Simple's body wash and she was like, oh, Simple do have face product that let's try it. And Simple is giving what I should give too. Simple is not oily. It makes my face feel so light. That is the deal. Whenever I'm using face product, I love when it's so light on my face. So next we're going with my Perfect and Radiant Aerotone Night Cream. Is Nivea product. Right now I'm tasting it. It's so sweet. And you know, I love this cream too. It's giving, oh come on babies, look at me, check me out. Just check my face right now. Is my face not giving what I should give? Aren't you feeling like you want to try a night skincare routine? You know, when you do this, it's beautiful. Let's go in with my face serum. You know, after putting all those products, you just need the face serum just to crown everything up, just to make that feeling come out, just to make your skin comes out the way it should come out. That is just the secret of these things. You just need it. You need your face. The face serum is to crown everything up. It's just the power. Using it on Instagram. So I just wanted for it. Just went in for it. I was like, okay, let me just try out something that everybody's just trying out. What I'll be going in with, and it's giving me what I should give. Babies, what I'm doing right now is just to put everything in. I've been watching this massage for the face. It's just to put everything in. Next, we're going for our lip care routine for the lip. You can't do a facial without the lip. When you do a lip therapy in the night, when you wake up the next morning, you will come and thank me. Yeah, I don't know where I started, but you will comment and thank me. You know, your lip is gonna feel so soft and you will love it. So right now I'm trying to use my pink lip balm therapy stuff for the lip. So this is it. I forgot to show you guys the name. So this is just it. I'm filling it and I'm going in with these two, my lip balm, and I love this lip balm a lot. When we got this, me and the girls, we just want to try it, but the lip balm is giving. Right now we are done with our skincare routine. Let's just say our facial skincare routine, and what I would just say is that babies, when you're doing yours, try to make it sit in just the way I did. You can't just apply skincare when you put this, you put this, you put this. It's not gonna work. It's not gonna give you what you want. You just need to make it sit in, give them time to sit in so that you kind of see the result of what you want. Right now, my skin is giving and I love it. My skin is so beautiful. I'm looking pretty. I'm looking nice to the dreamland. Yeah, I can say that too. I love me. I love what my skin is giving. It's so moisturized and is not really oily. I love it, and I'm really not feeling any kind of bad feeling right now. Love this facial. Come on, babies. I'm looking so sexy to the dreamland. Really? I'm really loving it right now. Babies, let me know if you guys love this kind of video, love this kind of idea of content, so that I can be giving you guys more of this to come. I'm loving it. Yeah, I'm loving my hair too. Everything is just giving 10 out of 10. It's just 10 out of 10. Try to do something like this every night when you want to go to bed. Just try to keep it up. Let's do something with the skin. Remember to love yourself, to remember who you are. That'll be all for today. Bye. Don't forget to comment, subscribe. See